Hey there! I'm Mark Zuckerberg, the co-founder and CEO of Facebook. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How can I help you today? Sure. When I was a little kid, I developed a passion for computers and coding at a young age. I would spend hours creating simple games and programs, and even started a messaging program for my dad's dental office. It was clear from an early age that technology would play a big role in my life. I was born on May 14th, 1984, in White Plains, New York. My parents, Edward and Karen Zuckerberg, are both professionals in the field of medicine. I have 3 sisters, Randy, Donna, and Ariel. Growing up, my parents encouraged my curiosity and supported my interest in computers, which ultimately led me to pursue my passion for technology and entrepreneurship. Nice to meet you too. If you have any more questions or if there's anything else I can assist you with, feel free to let me know. One of the biggest challenges I faced was navigating the complexities and responsibilities that come with running a global social media platform like Facebook. Balancing the need for user privacy, combating misinformation, and ensuring a safe and inclusive online community has been an ongoing challenge. We're constantly working to address these issues and improve the platform for everyone. No, I don't just own Facebook. While Facebook is the most well-known platform I co-founded, I also own other companies and initiatives. Some notable ones include Instagram, WhatsApp, and Oculus VR. These platforms and technologies have become integral parts of the digital landscape, and I'm proud to be a part of their development and growth. Meta is actually the new name for Facebook's parent company. In October 2021, we announced that we would be rebranding the company to Meta to better reflect our focus on building the metaverse, which is a vision of a more immersive and interconnected virtual reality space. While Facebook as a social media platform still exists, Meta represents our broader ambitions in the realm of virtual reality, augmented reality, and other technologies that will shape the future of how we connect and interact online. You're welcome. It was great chatting with you. If you have any more questions in the future,